Hello and welcome back to From Seed to Plate. On my channel, I show you how to plant edible plants and then how to cook with what you harvest. Today we are growing green onions from seed. You will need a small pot, potting soil, and green onion seeds. To begin, fill your pot up with potting soil until there is half an inch of room left at the top. To sow your seeds, make many 1/4 of an inch holes in your soil. Each hole should be about a half an inch apart. Place one seed into each hole and then cover the hole back up with soil. You should plant these 4 weeks before your last frost, so about mid-winter. In mild climates, you can also plant these in fall. Green onions need more than 6 hours of sun per day, so plant them somewhere with lots of light. With appropriate sunlight and water, these should emerge 10 to 15 days after planting. They will be ready to harvest about 60 days after planting. This is what a mature green onion plant looks like. You should see long, healthy leaves sticking out of the ground, with a white stem near the soil. To harvest, pull each one out of the ground. If it's not coming out easily, use a shovel to dig under the onion and push it up while pulling the onion out of the ground. A recipe you can make with green onions is green onion pancakes. This is a great appetizer that can be enhanced with dipping sauces of your choice. This recipe was created by Maggie Jewell for her website, Omnivore's Cookbook. You can keep cooked pancakes in the fridge for 3 days. For the dough, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 a cup of cool water, and half a cup of boiling water. The tools you will need are a stand mixer, if you have one, measuring cups, a kettle, and a bowl to put the dough in. If you don't have a stand mixer, you will need something to mix the dough with, like chopsticks or a fork. To make the dough, you can either use a mixer or your hands. To use a mixer like me, combine the flour and salt together in a mixing bowl. Then, with the dough hook attachment, slowly mix the mixture while you drizzle the hot water in. Once you've put all the hot water in, follow with the cool water. Turn your mixer to setting 4 and let the dough hook knead your dough for 3 minutes. If you don't have a mixer, instead combine the flour and salt in the big bowl. Then when you drizzle in the hot water, use some type of utensil to mix it together until it's fully combined. Then, drizzle in your cold water and mix it with a utensil until a rough dough forms. Once it's at this stage, use your hands to knead the dough for 5 minutes. Once the dough is ready, place it into the fridge for 20 minutes. Now we will make the filling. The ingredients you need are 1/3 a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 a cup of your favorite oil, I'm using olive oil, 3/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 8 green onions. You will also need some vegetable oil for cooking. The tools you will need are a cutting board, a knife, measuring cups, a small bowl, a rolling pin, some plastic wrap, a pan with a lid, a spatula, and a plate to let your pancakes cool on. To begin, mix together the flour, oil, and salt in the small bowl until it forms a smooth paste. Then, wash your green onions, chop your green onions all in half lengthwise, then into little crescents and set them aside. Once your dough has been in the fridge for 20 minutes, take it out and knead it for 1 minute so it's still smooth. After this, cut the dough into 6 even pieces and roll them into 6 balls. Cover each piece with plastic wrap. One at a time, unwrap your dough ball and roll it out until it's a thin rectangle, around 6 by 10 inches. Prevent it from sticking to the surface you are rolling it out on by flipping it over regularly. Spoon 1 tablespoon of filling onto the rectangle and spread it out so there is 1 inch of space on both one short side and one long side of the dough, like so. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of the green onions onto the paste, loosely concentrating it to 1 length and 1 width, like so. Begin to roll out the dough very gently into a long tube. Gently flatten this tube with your hands. Pinch the sides with more green onions shut. From the closed side, roll the tube up into a swirl and try to seal the edge on the side, like so. Lightly flatten the swirl and wrap it back up in plastic wrap. Repeat this for your other pancakes. Once you've done that, unwrap each pancake one at a time and roll them out until they're about 7 to 8 inches in diameter. It's okay if onion or filling falls out during this process. As long as most of it is still inside the pancake, it will be good to eat. Heat up the pan with medium-high heat and cover the bottom of it with cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, place the pancake in the pan. Cover the pan and turn the heat down to medium. Let the pancake cook for 1 minute. Remove the lid to flip the pancake over. Press it down a bit with a spatula to ensure it evenly cooks. Cook and flip the pancakes until both sides are crispy and decently brown. Transfer the cooked pancake to your plate. Repeat this process for all of your pancakes. Let your pancakes cool. Once they are warm but not hot, cut them into 6 and serve. Good job! I hope you enjoyed this video. I like this recipe because I simply love the taste, and it's a great food for snacking, appetizers, and sharing with those around you. I find that this recipe makes a lot of pancakes, so you can choose to half the recipe, or alternatively, store these in your fridge for later. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. I also have an Instagram, so check out my account there. The link is in my bio. Thanks for watching!